Create a new square file. My file is 1080 by 1080 pixels. Go to View, Guides, New Guide Layout. Create 2 columns and 2 rows. The gutter should be 0 pixels. Select the pen tool. Select Shape. Select No Color for the stroke. Select Gradient for the fill. Select or create a gradient with 2 colors. Use a linear gradient style. And use an angle of 90 degrees. Create a shape like this. Press Ctrl+J to duplicate the shape layer. Press Ctrl+T. Place this shape above the other shape. Press Ctrl+J to duplicate the shape again. Press Ctrl+T. Place this shape below the other shape. Go to Edit. Define Pattern. Create a pattern layer. Select the pattern you just made. Then adjust the scale. And that's how you create this gradient zigzag pattern.